Hi, well, good to see you all. It's been a while since I've been doing a video of any kind. As some of you will know that follow the channel, I've had a case of man flu. Alright, a bad cold, but yeah, man flu. And I had an infection on my hand, which meant I had to go to A&E. But A&E told me that I didn't really need to go to A&E, but that was down to the pharmacy, the doctors and so forth. So that was a day wasted. But the infection was on my hand here, and that is all cleared up now, I'm pleased to say. And I'm pretty much fighting fit now, I'm glad to say as well. And the other thing is a bit sad, the Hemi's gone. Himalayan 411, I'm afraid, is gone. I was umming and ahhing over what I should do, and well, I don't go back on anything that I've said about the Hemi. I think it's a terrific bike, loved it, great ride. It was a bit on the heavy side, and I had one or two moments with it, shall we say, that made me, so I was a little bit iffy, but I thought I could do something a little easier to handle. The Hemi wasn't difficult to handle. It felt, to me, it felt reasonably bulky, and I wanted something else that was just going to feel, if not lighter, but would feel lighter and easier to handle in general. So I decided it had to go, and I'm pleased to say a chap has bought the Hemi, and I think it's gone to a good home. I think he's going to enjoy riding it, and I think it's going to I think he's going to get a lot of fun out of it. It's so I'm bikeless at the moment, but not for long. I've been thinking about a different bike, and I've made a decision, and it should be on its way. Well, I say it should be on its way. I've got to go and collect it actually, but yeah. I wonder if you can guess what it is that I've gone for, knowing that I had GB350, Honda GB350 in the past, which I was pleased with. That felt again, well, it felt like a full-size bike, if you like. It was size and ride, didn't feel like a small bike. I was pleased with it, but I wanted something that I could do modifications to, all sorts of little things, because I like fiddling, and most of us motorcyclists, probably of a certain age, like to get the spanners out and do bits and pieces. So there's another machine on its way. I wonder if you've got any idea what it might be. I'm not going to say now. I will say when it arrives, or when I go and collect it. And we'll do a ride, and you can see what it's like, and see whether or not, or whether you think I made the right decision. Next month I'm coming up to the big 8.0, so yeah, my age, strength, stamina all play a role in what I can do, what I can handle and so forth, and looking forward, hopefully, how much longer I'm going to be able to carry on riding, and I hope that's going to be for quite some time yet. But yeah, looking to the future, it's a machine that will take me and Julia on rides out. We should be able to do a little bit of touring on it as well, So yeah, fingers crossed. We'll see just what it is that we come up with. So keep tuned. Within the next 3 or 4 days there'll be another video out, and I will have the new machine in the garage, and you can have a look and see what you think. Okay, so that's basically it. As I say, I'm fairly well, and looking forward to getting out there, getting on the road again, and hopefully I might see one or two of you while I'm out and about. While I think of it, can you give us a thumbs up? Also, if you haven't subscribed, if you will subscribe, do the little subscribe as well. That all helps. And as I say, 2 or 3 days, hopefully there will be a video up, and you can have a look and see what you think of the machine and my choice. Won't suit everybody, I can tell you that, but I think it will suit us nicely. Okay, cheers for now. See you all next time. The sun's shining. Let's hope it keeps on that way. Let's hope we can all get out there and enjoy it. Okay, cheers. Bye for now.